Hello, I'm Phil Catley, Dealer Manager for Kubota UK. I'm going to talk to you today about the ZD1211 zero-turn machine from Kubota. The ZD1211 comes with two different deck options. As you see it here with a 60-inch rear discharge deck, we also have a 60-inch side discharge deck available for this machine as well. These zero turns are getting more and more popular every day. I can see why. Very, very simple to use, great driver comforts. The fact that they can turn in their own wheelbase is an added benefit. So maneuverability for a zero-turn machine is very, very good. This particular machine comes with a 24.8, very powerful, very torquey, 3-cylinder liquid-cooled diesel engine. Operator safety is obviously of the utmost importance. So the ZD1211 comes fitted with the safety belt, and it also has the rollover protection as standard. As you can see, this particular machine has also been fitted with the optional road lighting kit. The great thing about the road lighting kit, it's fully controllable with the switches here on the left hand side of the machine, and the indicators are controlled in the end of the steering arms. Access to the engine is very simple and easy. There's a handle on the back of the bonnet, a small catch down the side, literally pull the catch, lift the bonnet, and gives you full access to the engine bay. This is obviously essential for the daily checks, such as cleaning debris from the grass screen, checking the air filter, checking the coolant level, and of course, checking the engine oil. The ZD1211 is a great machine for local authorities and contractors, people that are going to be using the machine for long periods of time. If you are going to use this machine for long periods of time, it's really handy that it comes equipped with two fuel tanks. As with all Kubota product, the ZD1211 comes with plenty of specification and is really simple and easy to use. Comes as standard with this really high comfort seat with armrests, which are really helpful for using the steering arms. On the right hand side, you have the driver console. On this console, we have the hand throttle, we have the deck engagement lever, and we also have the deck adjustment height. So this control here will let you mow as low as 25mm and all the way up to 102mm. The control panel over here on the left hand side has the digital display, which tells you information such as engine warning lights, oil temperature, and also coolant temperature. For dropping the deck in and out of the cut position, it's really simple. You've got two pedals on the floor. One pedal lifts the deck up, the other pedal drops the deck down to the desired height, controlled by the dial on the side here. A great feature on this machine is the fact that you can actually jack the machine up into a service position. When you jack it up into the service position, it gives you great access underneath the deck, so you can do easy maintenance of the blades if they need replacing or sharpening. The ZD1211 is a great all-round mower. I can see why contractors and local authorities like these machines for their ease of use and their great durability. If you want any more information on the ZD1211, please log on to the Kubota website where you can download the brochures. Also, you can look at the dealer locator and find the closest dealer to yourself for any demonstration needs you may have. All Kubota ground care machines come with a standard 2-year warranty. This can be upgraded to a 5-year warranty if required. You can also buy into service packages up to 5 years, giving you a cost per day or a cost per hour ownership if required.